definitely an interesting time here at Expo Real. There's a lot of people talking about inflation and interest rates increasing, and we're definitely at a turning point there. How that reflects with our funds, we are onto our fourth fund in the aged care space in the Nordics at the moment, and we're out capital raising. We have our final close on that in mid-November, and we've already raised about the same amount of capital as we did for the last fund. And I think that's quite interesting because capital raising at the moment in the current environment is very difficult, and I probably think that reflects that this space is perceived by investors to be somewhat safe. And we've seen that happen before. Whenever there's market turmoil, there's a flight to core, and our products are not value add or opportunistic. We're a very safe, brand new buildings, long leases, ESG positive. We're ranked number 1 or number 2 in Europe for aged care funds. And I think, from our perspective, if you went back to November last year, the market was in a very different place, and it was almost as if we were having arguments internally as to, we had dry powder, we had capital to spend, and our acquisitions people in the various countries were looking at deals, but the pricing just seemed to be so tough. So we were almost sort of arguing with ourselves as to whether or not to do these deals. That's changed massively in the last couple of months, and so we've seen pricing come out, we've seen access to deals that we just wouldn't have had, and that's because some of the vendors might be listed, or they might have bonds that are coming up for refinancing, so we're really seeing a massive change, and actually more opportunities than we were seeing, that's for sure, in November of last year and before. So yeah, it's quite an exciting time. However, what we do is a very safe, very core sort of investment, and we're looking forward to see how it unfolds in the future.